And this mirror is awesome, boys. I can back up the truck using only one mirror. Welcome back to the channel, boys. It's time to upgrade the mirrors on my truck. I have the small chrome simple mirrors and I want the SUPERDUTY mirrors. If you don't know what a SUPERDUTY mirror is the mirrors that come on a SUPERDUTY truck. It's basically this one. Remember when I went to the junkyard and got parts? Well, I got the doors because they had nice mirrors. I don't need doors, but they had nice mirrors, and I could not took them off at the junkyard. See how the hardware is basically falling off? So I have to grind it. Step 1, remove the mirror. Step 2, take it all apart. Step 3, polish. Step 4, optional, putting an amber light around here so it can look cool like a modern truck. Step 1 complete. We removed everything from the doors. Now let's see if we can get them loosen up. This is some cheap lubricant spray, not sponsored by them. Should be cool. Should I take this off? Maybe it's gonna open a new can of worms that I don't want to get into right now. Let's leave it right there. Upon further inspection of the mirror, put this thing right here. This thing is seized solid. Can't move it. Can't move this piece. So let's try to remove it. Come on, Milwaukee. So you want to call the big guys? I'm doing a clutch job over here, so you ignore this. It's my daily bread. This is how I make my living, doing jobs. Service breaks, oil changes, clutch jobs apparently too. Okay, this is the big machine, fully charged. And this is 14mm. This thing is gonna snap so bad. Or twist my hand off. And now what? How do I even begin? How do I even begin with this? Give me a hammer. Give me a freaking hammer. It kind of moves. It still doesn't move. This thing is seized solid, boys. Solid. We went down a few steps. This is step 1003, section B, F, C. But I'm gonna remove this and see if I can tap a bolt into it so I can hold it from underneath. So I'm gonna cut it down flush and then drill it, tap it. Sounds easy, right? I bet you it isn't. Here comes the fun part.
A few moments later.
So after I went to Alex Fab, welded in a new nut, you can see it, new nut, new bolt, mirror is fixed. So now we got two mirrors, 1 and 2. In order for me to bolt this on the door, I have to make holes, and to make holes I have to remove the door panels. And I thought, wait a minute, I have 2 spare door panels, so why don't I clean this up, paint them, and put these on the truck instead. I'm slowly gonna restore the interior of my truck because it's an old truck, a dirty truck, and I want to make it nice again. So gonna start by cleaning this up real good. Then with that, gonna try this. I heard some good reviews about this. I'm gonna try it. Let's go, boys. Let's start by cleaning this up.
A few moments later.
Here they are, boys. Here they are. I'm terribly sorry because I lost all the footage from me painting it, but I think you know how to operate a spray can. If you don't, you can just Google it. How to paint a door panel. So let's continue with the door mirror project. First things first, remove the mirrors, remove this door panel, make some new holes for the new mirrors, and mount them. Then the last step is to polish. Place your bets. Are these gonna come out easy, or do I have to grind them out? Let's see. Alright. Here's Jerry, just in time to help me put this thing on. Just in time. Hey! How you doing, buddy? I'm having a blast of a time over here mounting some mirrors. That's the old mirror.
Oh shit.
Okay.
I wasn't expecting that.
Can you hold this for me? Instead of putting the big mirror and marking the holes, you just grab the gasket. Set it. Like that. I took a peek from the old door. Come. See how you line up this? This goes in the center of the basket also.
Alright.
So I'm gonna mock this up on the new door. It's about in the middle, right? Just about.
It looks about right.
Yeah. What you're gonna do, you're gonna mark the holes. There you go.
Hey!
Try the step drill. Maybe this saves it for going and breaking the glass.
Let's hope. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's butter. It just came off. Alright, this is good. I'm just... Oh, it's set on the side, that's right.
High IQ move
One
right
more
here.
step. Yeah, one more step. There you go. This is perfect for this job. Use the step drill. Use the step drill. 2 steps. One step and 2 steps. Safely, no issues. I like it. I like it how it turned out. I tried to polish on this piece and it's turned out really good. Do another piece, Jerry. Do another piece. Rub it on. Or it removes everything. No, this is like 30-year-old mirrors restoring. We don't need to buy new stuff, my friend. We just find them in the junkyard and
Give it a little love.
give them a little love.
That works really good, actually.
That's really good, actually, bro.
This might be
The first hand is to remove the dirt, grime, and stuff. Maybe the second hand is to really bring out the chrome. I don't want it to like be really mirror kind, but
shiny.
Yeah, a nice
A good finish.
stainless polish, nice stainless look. All right, you know what we should do, Jerry? Try to fit this. Shut up, dog. Try to fit this truck outside because this won't go in. It's stuck. It's seasoned here, like the other one was before I broke it. So we're gonna try and baby this thing outside. Hopefully we don't bring down the yard. My dad will kill me.
Jesus Christ, buddy.
Problem here, the mirror is seized. So what we're gonna do,
Set the truck on fire.
hope not. Okay, we got some fire here going on, so let's heat this some bitch up.
Let's give it some fuego. Yeah. Give it some more heat. All around, all around. I see the oil starting to bubble. It sounds the same time like the world's angriest and saddest choo-choo train. Yeah.
There you go.
Man, Xavier knows his shit.
You want to school with me?
He knows his shit, goddamn.
We need some WD-40. Okay, be right back.
And some heat. Little WD there.
Still hot.
Spicy.
Oh yeah, Jerry, we got it, man.
All
You
you
don't have
need
to break the bolt again
this time.
and go through another 2-week process.
You know, it could have took a whole month, but you know, learning curves.
This is all we wanted to do.
It's brand new. What else you want to do?
Done.
After you
Tomorrow we're gonna polish it and finish the video because this video has been going on for 2 weeks. I broke the bolt. I'm missing parts. I took this to get fixed over there by Glasgow. So see you tomorrow to finish off this project, boys. Gonna get some nice new clips for the door panels. Finish this. Nicely done. And I fixed the door. Look at it now.
one time,
so happy with it. Alright boys, do you remember how this thing was loose like that? The old one had a big ass screw in the middle, and I don't like that, so I bought some clips. These are the correct type. There's a double head. I'm gonna show you why there's a double head right now. The reason it's a double head is like this. It goes in the groove like that. You see? Beautiful. And this thing goes into the hole in the door. Here, 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 and here. So I'm gonna put those. Install this door panel. Gotta be nice and snug. And here they are, boys, the final product. Look at that. Pretty nice, right? I still gonna remove this piece. See what I'm gonna do with it. Maybe paint these lines black. Leave this blue. Give it a cleanup. You know, you don't want everything black. You gotta balance. Okay, let me show you the mirrors. They came out great. And this is just a quick polish. If I take my time, I think I can get this shining a bit more. Let's see the other side. Oh yes, boys. Oh yes. Looks really nice, doesn't it? And the best thing is you can see very good in this thing. Gonna show you a quick peek from inside. Get in here. Slowly but surely, we're getting this truck back together. Remember, first I didn't have dash bezel, didn't have these things. Door panels was really bad. So, slowly but surely. Let me turn this baby back on. Look at the view. That's awesome. I can see way back very clearly. That side too. That's really good, boys. So, thank you again for watching, boys. If you like my channel, please subscribe, like, and share my videos. I will appreciate it a lot. This was a great video. I enjoyed it. The mirrors came out great. The door panels came out even better than expected. And slowly but surely, I'm gonna paint more pieces in the truck. It's gonna be real nice for a 25-year-old truck. These things are the things we grabbed in the junkyard, so we're doing the best we can. We're not rich, so we're making the best out of what we have. Take care, boys, and be safe.